Hello everyone, welcome back to my JavaScript series. In today's video, we'll learn what are variables, how to store data in JavaScript, print statements, data types in JavaScript, real-world examples, beginner coding examples. These are some of the most important JavaScript fundamentals every developer must learn, so let's get started. Variables are used to store data in JavaScript. You can think of a variable like a container. It stores information such as name, age, numbers, messages, Boolean values. For example, if a website wants to store your username, it uses variables. Let's create our first variable. Let name equals James, console.log name. Here, let's keyword to create variable, name, variable name, James, value stored inside variable. When we run the code, JavaScript prints the value in the console. In JavaScript, we use console.logs to print output. Console.log welcome to JavaScript. This displays output inside the console. Another example, let city equals Bangalore. Console.log city. JavaScript supports different types of data. String, it stores text. Let language equals JavaScript. Console.log language. Number, it stores numeric values. Let age equals 21, console.log age, Boolean. Boolean stores true or false values. Let is student equals true, console.log is student, undefined. When a variable has no value, it becomes undefined. Let score, console.log score, null. Null means intentionally empty. Let result equals null, console.log result. Real websites use variables everywhere. Instagram stores usernames and variables. Shopping websites store product prices. Login forms store email and password. Games store scores and levels. Variables are one of the most important concepts in programming. Let's create a small student information program. Let student name equals James. Let age equals 21. Let course equals JavaScript. Console.log student name. Console.log age, console.log course. This program stores student information using variables. In JavaScript, variables can be created using let var const. Most modern developers use let and const because they are safer and easier to manage. Common mistakes beginners make: forgetting quotes and strings, wrong variable names, missing semicolons, using spaces in variable names. Example of wrong variable name, let username equals James. This causes an error. Today we learned variables in JavaScript, print statements, data types, real-world examples, mini coding examples. In the next video, we'll learn operators and user input in JavaScript. If this video will helpful, like this video, share it with your coding friends, subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. Keep learning, keep coding, keep growing. Let's see on next video.